everyone, Belinda here. Welcome back. So I just wanted to do another pour, a straight pour, and I'll show you the colours I'm using, as well as there's been a few questions. This is the Deco Art Black Pearl, not Extreme Sheen. This is the Deco Art White Pearl, not Extreme Sheen. This is the Deco Art Gold, 24 karat gold, not Extreme Sheen. And I'm using the Liquitex Basics Red, which I've added a little bit of black to, just to make it a little bit darker. So the reason why I'm actually telling you this is because you know, a couple of people have said, oh, but do you use the Extreme Sheen? No, I don't, and I get my pearl cells, which I've been doing. I think my first video went up about 2 months ago. Okay, so in this I'm going to need about 2 ounces of paint. Now ordinarily I would cover my canvas first. I'm not going to be doing that this time, so we'll do it a little bit differently. Okay, so 7 ounces, and I'm hoping with these other colours that I have, I'm going to get my cells, my pearl cells. Yep, so those are the colours I'm using. So it will be, I haven't really used a lot of the black and the white. I do want to get the little pearls, but I also don't want to have too much of the black and white. Okay, so I'm going in high with the black. So every time I have done this, I have had success. I've never had a problem with not getting the pearls. So if anyone is having a problem and they're using the Extreme Sheen, then it might just be the way that you're actually pouring. You want to pour from up high because that creates the bubbles, and the bubbles is what creates the pearls. And let's hope I have enough here for enough paint. I think I saw a little blob go in there. So at the end of the video, what I want to do is let it sit and record. I will fast forward that so that you can see the cells popping up. Let's just hope I'm going to have enough here. I might just add a little bit more red because I'm short of a little bit. Okay. Okay, so again, we're pouring up high. So I might actually have a bit too much paint. Okay, let's torch it. All of those little bubbles that are popping is what causes the cells to pop up. That's all the little cells popping. Flamethrower again. Righty-ho, let's do this. And when you come back, when you pull back quite fast. So I can see the cells already popping up. I might get a little bit more off that corner. There we go. So if you've watched my other videos, you'll know that for me, I don't like things to be in the center. So we're just going to go, maybe we go this way for a change. Yep. I don't want to lose any of those cells popping up there now. Let's go this way. The reason why I say that is because Sorry guys, you're probably out of shot. I don't really want to lose that there because it kind of gives it something also to look at. And I don't really want to go off there, so overstretching it is not a good idea. Okay, I'm going to torch this and then I'm going to leave it recording for a while so you can see the changes happening. Let me just get those guys in the right place, and let me just fill these corners in. Okay. Make sure it's all flat, level, and I'll just go around the edges. Okay. So I'm just going to torch this and then I'll let it sit. I don't want to over torch it because then you end up with heaps and heaps and heaps of cells, although these pearl cells are really beautiful. I mean, who doesn't want the pearl cells, right? But I would like the edges to have quite a few. They are beautiful. Oh yes. Okay. That's enough torching for one day. I love that. Alright guys, I'll see you in a bit. I'm just loving this center part here with all of that gold and all of these cells. Look at these pearl cells. Really gorgeous. And I'm hoping you can see the gold. All of this is gold and red. There's a couple of tiny little black pearl cells as well. Looks really good. You see the little black ones over here. I'm not sure if my camera's picking them up. Yeah, maybe a little. There we go. Some little black ones, and these are really cool. They're very, very shiny. So again, I really like the outcome. hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and be sure to like and subscribe and share. I would appreciate that. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.